What is up, y'all? It's Josh here again with a couple things. Just want to give you a quick update video. I haven't given up yet. I'm not suddenly decided I don't want to do this anymore. But I first off got an upgraded camera. I don't know if it looks better, but I'm not using an iPhone anymore. I decided to bite the bullet and bought myself a nice little Lumix to do my videos from here. So hopefully the quality is better. Now, something we're going to be doing the next couple days is I decided to go back and bite the bullet on buying a program that I looked at a long time ago. I'm sure some of you have heard of it. Legendary Marketer 15-day challenge. So I purchased that. I'm going through it right now, and I'm basically going to let you know if it's worth it. Because, yeah, I mean, some of us don't really trust those programs, and we're like, the fuck is this thing? Is it? Oh, sorry, I swore, but I'm going to swear every now and then. But anyways, we're like, is this worth it? Is it actually worth the money we're putting into it? So I'm just here to figure that out for you, okay? So I'll be going over that with you. A few other updates that are going on is that me and my wife are moving. So that's why I've been so busy, is we've been having tons and tons and tons of showings at our house because the market where we live is absolutely bonkers. So, see, the house is empty. Besides, there's a cat there. See, look. Little kitty cat. Oh, and then we got dogs. Say hi. Another dog. Anyways, I've been super busy trying to keep the house clean and be out of the house for all those different showings, so it's just been crazy. Other than that, our other ideas, the other videos I made so far haven't been getting any traction, which is okay. You're not an entrepreneur unless you fail 30,000 times. So I've failed about 40 times already, so we're getting close to actually failing 30,000. Just got to do another 20,940, no, 60. So once we fail that many more times, we're going to have a win. But all the affiliate marketing ones I've already started, they've been getting a lot of traffic, but I can't seem to get someone to actually purchase. So like, there's people who are going to my sales page, and that's getting me a lot of attention, but I can't seem to get anyone to actually click on it and buy what I'm promoting. So I'm definitely going to try and figure out how to build maybe a better sales funnel so that people feel more comfortable with purchasing from a link that I produce. So I started using a program called ClickFunnels, which once I learn how to use it, I'm going to make some videos on how you guys can use it. That way I'm sticking with our plan of teaching y'all how to make something. Other than that, the t-shirt business is on hold. My wife has been super busy. She hasn't been able to make very many designs, which is fine. But, sorry, I'm grabbing some stuff to show you guys. But also Teespring is starting to turn out to be, it could be more expensive than what it's worth. From what I'm figuring out, there's better t-shirt selling companies out there that me and my wife are going to use to have a better chance of being able to actually sell something. Because Teespring, they want you to get 10 sales before they're going to advertise for you. So that's not cool, because then you have to pay good money to get 10 sales, and is it profitable anymore after that? Teespring doesn't have that much traffic. So I'm looking into selling with merch by Amazon. I just got approved by that. So once I know that program better, I'll be making some videos on that for you. Other than that, our product that we are going to be selling soon has arrived. Isn't that exciting? Look at that. But anyways, I'll be making some videos on that more shortly here as we go and start getting ready to launch our own brand, which is going to be obviously a couple things brand. It's going to be epic. I'm super excited to launch it. It's going to take a couple more months to get everything going. I got to get email lists built up. I got to get the hype going. So, you know, if you know someone who needs a blanket that's specifically developed for couples to make it more comfortable for them to sleep together in warmer conditions, then you tell them that there's one coming out soon here. Because that's what me and my wife have been working on. I've already got a manufacturer. I've got a logo. We got branding. We just got to wait for enough hype to the point where we're ready to launch. I've got 1,000 units getting ready to be made. So it's an exciting time. Not including the fact that I'm also trying to get affiliate marketing up, t-shirt business. I'm starting to work on developing an app. This is going to take a while. I've never built an app before. I've been on YouTube a lot trying to figure out, watching videos on how to build an app. So that's a process that we're in the middle of. Other than that, still just trying to move. So I don't know if you guys know, but we actually currently live in Rapid City, South Dakota. It's in Mount Rushmore. Most of you are going to know where Mount Rushmore is. I live 25 minutes away from Mount Rushmore. Still only been there 2 times, and I've lived here my whole life. It's kind of weird how when you live somewhere, you actually don't stop and see a place that's considered a wonder and amazement of the United States. I personally think it's kind of boring, but that's just me. But anyways, we live in the Mount Rushmore state. Small place, about 67,000 people live here. It's also the home of the Sturgis Rally. Well, Sturgis is the home of the Sturgis Rally, but it's where about 1 million motorcyclists, I shouldn't call them bicyclists, I'm gonna get killed. Motorcyclists come here once a year and show off their bikes. Pretty cool, really busy, but makes the state good, get money, so that's not bad. But anyways, we're moving out of South Dakota. We're gonna be moving to San Antonio, Texas, which is gonna be new. It's gonna be hot. I'm used to winters with snow. I don't think Texas has much for snow, but you know, gonna give it a shot. We're not buying a house down there right away because we both agreed that since we are fully dedicated to this entrepreneur journey, we're not just gonna go down there and get into another job. I just quit my job the other day as a car salesman, which is great. I feel awesome. She's working a couple more weeks at her job, but then she's out of here, and we're not gonna jump back into the job world. I mean, we might have to in the end, but that's definitely not the plan. I mean, we might need a few more months where we're getting money from that. But we're dedicating all of our commitment to this entrepreneur journey. Oh, look, I have another cat here. Look at this thing. Stealing my desk chair. This one's kind of a bitch. Yeah. Anyways, we're going all in this entrepreneur journey. Most people aren't going to recommend just quitting your job before you have any other income. But, you know, you gotta do what's best for you. And I feel like the job is what's hindering us, because when you work 10 or 12 hours a day and you get home and you got all these things you want to do for your businesses, last thing you want to do, stay up for another 5 hours and start working, which we've been doing. But now that I have a full day to dedicate to this process, I feel like it's just going to go much easier, much faster, and we'll be able to make much more professional based production or products or market that much better. Sorry, my dog is squeaking on one of his toys, so he's loud and obnoxious, but that's okay. But anyways, we're currently trying to find an apartment in San Antonio that will accept 3 dogs. The cats are going to be watched by my cousin because I can't find one. They'll let us have 5 animals. It's kind of sad, but it is what it is. But yeah, stay tuned. I'm going through the 15-day challenge. Almost done. I got a few more days left. I'm going to give you guys a review on it. And then I will give you a review on what I've done through it. And like, I'll show you my progress as it happens. Show you what type of money we're making, if any. Which I have a good feeling about this one. The truth is, a couple months ago, I purchased the 15-day challenge because it's $7 to purchase. I purchased it, went through, hey, stop squeaking. Went through 6 days of it, and there was a day where they upsell you, where they try and get you to buy all their big, expensive products, and that just pissed me off. So then once they did that, I just stopped on day 5. And I didn't go back to it for, I think, 6 months. But then just the other day, I'm like, you know, I've been struggling with this whole marketing thing, and the 15-day challenge is only $7, and I didn't give it a fair shot. So I'm finishing that up, and I'm starting to realize I made a mistake earlier, and I should probably apologize to the person I sent an email to 6 months ago. But I'll let you guys know if it's worth $7. They also offer very expensive other programs. Haven't decided if I'm going to purchase yet, but if I do, I'll do a review on those. But yeah, I think it might be a chance. I think it's something that everyone might be able to do and actually be able to make good money on. So stay tuned, and I'll let you know whether or not it's something you should do as well. There will be a link down in the description if you want to check it out before my review thing comes out. But other than that, you know, go follow the Instagram. We're going to start posting a whole lot of stuff on there as we continue with our move. We're also going to get ready for the product launch. You guys are going to start seeing more about that. I mean, if you have any questions, go ahead and leave a comment. Subscribe so you can keep following the journey as we do more and more cool things. We're going to be vlogging during our move. It's going to be interesting. We've never been to Texas before. Well, I think my wife went when she was like 8 or 10. I don't remember. But anyway, I've never been to Texas before, so it'll be new for me. And yeah, we'll be around a lot more. So stay tuned. Leave a sub, thumbs up, thumbs down. Either way, let me know how we're doing. Let me know what you want to see. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.